Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, The RealReal, and ThreadUp. This is gonna be probably my last video from this room, so I thought that it would be fitting to do the video from this room, which I'll get into in a little bit. But if you are brand new or you've been here for any amount of time and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that little button for me. That does help me out a ton. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button on your way out today. I also really appreciate that. Both of those things actually really do help me out a lot in the YouTube algorithm. So appreciate your help and support. Okay, so first of all, this is going to be the last video from this room because I get a storage unit. So I'm officially not really working from my house anymore. I still have a desk and my printer and all of that is going to be here, but the majority of my inventory is going to be moving to a storage unit so that this room can be occupied by someone else. So that's really exciting because that also gives me the potential to grow my business even more, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys that update a little bit. That has nothing to do with this video. I just happened to have that happening in my life today, so I wanted to share. But today's video is fun, hopefully. So I ordered this box from Plato's Closet. My local Plato's Closet was doing a 15 item for $20 like mystery box, which like that's just a little bit over $1 an item. I did pay for shipping. I didn't pick it up, so it was like $10 to ship. So like it was exactly $2 an item because it came out to $13. Oh my gosh, $30 for the box, and there should be 15 items in here, so they're $2 a piece. I have no idea what I'm getting. I don't know what season they're trying to offload. I have no idea. I just assume that because they're open now, they're just trying to get rid of as much stuff as they can and start fresh, kind of like the rest of us are doing. So I snatched it up for $30. It's just fun. So could be great stuff, could be awful stuff. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. I want to open it with you guys. So that's what this video is. If you're excited about that, stay tuned. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this box without showing you my address, but it's a nice size box, if you can kind of tell. So I'm pumped to try and open it. Let's get into it. Okay, so I opened up the box. It's a 15 by 15 by 6, so decent size, and I'll give you a first glance. At first glance, I'm not like super stoked about it, and I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, brand new LuLaRoe. I don't buy LuLaRoe, so I'm not excited about this. But that doesn't mean there's nothing good in the box. So let's just get into it and see what's in here. I'm going to start with this LuLaRoe piece because it's right on top and it's brand new. It is a Julia dress. I can see that already from the tag. Just a color blocked pink, gray, blue. Size large. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't really even bother listing it anymore because it just doesn't sell, but I don't know. We'll see. Next, looks like some leggings. Fila. Just like black workout leggings. They're kind of pilly. And like they're worn. You can see right here. So, again, not great. Oh, yeah. Some of the stitching is coming out. These are going to go right in the garbage. Garbage. Next. So far, not great. But what do you expect when they're trying to offload stuff? This is a Polo Ralph Lauren, however you say it. Just like orange, long sleeve. This seems to be in okay condition. I'll probably sell that. Probably $10 or $15 on that. Nothing crazy. I think it's a men's as well. My mom told me I need to back up when I'm doing these so you guys can see better. Okay, this is also new with tags. Entro, E-N-T-R-O. I've never heard of this brand before. It looks Anthropology-y, but I don't think it is. But still, new with tags is pretty good. Looks like a dress, maybe. Okay, it's strapless, so it's at least summery. Little midi dress. It's cute. I'll sell that, or I'll send it to ThredUp. They would take that. At least I feel like. I don't really know what I'm doing to ThredUp either, though, so who knows. This is no brand. Oh, cute, though. Little, like, cut out, tied t-shirt, like, style dress. I think it might be, like, bodycon. It's size large, but it looks like a boutique type tag. See some jeans in here. But that's not what I pulled out next. It's also another dress. This is just exhilaration. This is Target. I'm not surprised by this. This is exactly what Plato's takes. Wow, the quality of the video is awful on this. I'm sorry. This is just like a rose printed, like a deep, oh, it's like wrapped top dress. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with some of this stuff because Target I also don't list. This is Old Navy. I do list Old Navy because it sells for me. This is Love, probably for Valentine's Day. It's like a sweater. I might list it, might hold on to it. Don't know. So far there's nothing in this box that I'm just like, woohoo! But it's like almost exactly what I would expect from Plato, so. Like a lot of the stuff, if I saw it in the bin, I would pick it up from Plato's, for Plato's, so I'm not surprised. These are new with tag Envy. Although it says P-O-L. I have no idea. Let's see that. P-O-L. And this is like the tag that's on it. So these were $61 when they were brand new. And they're called Look What You Made Me, I assume, Do. It's cut off, so I don't know. But they're distressed on the pockets. They're like extremely distressed on the front. Holy cow. And they're boot cut maybe? No, straight. Are these men's? I have no idea what these are. Maybe they're men's. How can you tell? If you know how to tell if these are men's pants, leave me a comment below. I don't know. I'll probably try and sell those. Next pair of jeans were rolled very tightly. Please hold. Okay, sorry. Almost every video, I have to stop when my dogs start barking for something random. They just bark to bark sometimes, I think. Anyway, these are H&M size 12 jeggings, black jeggings. The lighting in here is garbage, so like maybe it's a good thing that this is my last video in this room. I felt like, oh, the windows are open, it will be light, but it's just making like this weird glare, so I'm sorry. Sorry. My goodness. Okay. Another pair of jeans. These are Lucky Brand Easy Rider. 12/31 ankle. What makes them ankle? Just that they're like ankle length? I don't know. Probably put these on eBay, put them on auction. Lucky Brand jeans don't do great for me. So, you know. Next. This is cute. Maybe. Oh yeah, this is good. This is a good one. Okay. This is Denim and Supply by Ralph Lauren. And this is, oh, it's a dress. Oh, even cuter. It's got like little, it has bell sleeves. And just like blue floral print. This is cute. I'll list this for sure. This is a size large. Okay. First thing that I'm actually excited about. Next thing is also a dress. Looks like a dress I have, actually. The tag is ripped out. That's sad. I think this might be Amanda Upritchard, if I had to guess. But I'm not gonna guess. This is just like a white off the shoulder. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. They're barking at the UPS man. He's just like driving down the street. He's not even delivering anything to us. They just see him. And I guess because they come here enough, that's why they're barking. I don't know. If I stop every time they're barking, I'm gonna have to reshoot this whole video. So hopefully they stop soon or I can close the door. One of the two. My goodness, I'm so sorry guys that you have to deal with this. Okay, anyway. So it's got like the straps and then the off the shoulder strap as well. I have no idea what size it is because the tag's ripped out. Wonder if there's like any other type of marking. Maybe it says it on the, by the way. Maybe that's the brand. I don't know, but it doesn't have a size either. I could do measurements. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I have another dress that looks very similar to this in my closet that I got from my B&G box. It was like Amanda Upritchard or whatever, which is why I thought that that might be that brand. I'm sorry that I keep like scratching my nose, but whenever I do unboxings, the dust just like bothers my nose so much. This is Banana Republic. Again, I don't normally pick up Banana Republic, size large, but this is actually decently cute. It's just plain for the most part, like a plain cream sweater, but it has these cute button detail sleeves. So I probably will list that or set it to thread up. Don't know. Okay. This is Target as well, but again, cute. I would pick this up to sell to Plato's Closet, so I'm not surprised. It's just like a, oh, it's kind of like, I would call this like a varsity. Yeah, it's like a varsity sweater. This is cute. I'll list this. I can probably get $10, $15 for this. This is cute. Size large. And again, I only paid $2 for these, so is this the exact same dress? No, but it looks the same. Almost. Interesting. This is Moral Fiber, which it has a price tag on it of $16, so interesting. The majority of this, honestly, I'm gonna probably send to thread up. I'll pick out the few things that I want to list. It's a dress, long sleeve dress with like a choker neckline, size large. Like bell sleeves on this too. This looks pretty similar to the Denim and Supply dress, so I'm not surprised that they took it. Yeah, that'll probably go to thread up too. So that is it. That's all I got in my box. So I was like excited about one thing, but I paid $30 for the box, so I can definitely get my money back for sure. I might keep this box and just pack up most of it and send it to thread up. See if they take it. So let me count and make sure I got what I was supposed to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got what I was promised. There's only one item in here that I would say is like not good, which is those leggings. They have like a hole in them, so the quality is not good for that, for sure. But other than that, the quality is good on everything. So I can probably, honestly, I'm gonna probably send most of this to thread up. I think I'm gonna list that Ralph Lauren dress, the Lucky Brand jeans I'll probably put up on eBay. This varsity sweater I will list. And I think that's it. The rest of it's probably going to go thread up. So anyway, that's the whole video. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Let me know if you're back in the thrift store. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're going back to the thrift store. I've been once. I was not pleased. I didn't get anything, and there was too many people. They were not following the rules. It wasn't my scene. I'm not ready, I don't think. But let me know if you're going back to the thrift stores. Are you finding good stuff, or was all the hype not really? Because like I've heard a lot about like when we can get back to the thrift stores, it's gonna be great because all these people have had all this time to clean out their closets, but like maybe their closets are junk. I don't know. So let me know how you guys are doing. If you are not back in the thrift store, leave a comment and let us know how you're sourcing. I'm doing weird stuff like this, like buying a mystery box from Plato's Closet for fun. So I'm also going through my own closet still, and I continue to get donations from friends. So that's kind of what's been keeping me afloat through the pandemic. I am slowly starting to try and go back to the thrift store. It's going to be a process for sure. Right now I'm spending 30 minutes max per store. So I'm going specifically in for shoes, go through the shoe section and get out. So we will see. But I've got all that space now that I need to fill, and I really have some audacious goals for the next coming up year. So eventually I'm gonna have to get back into the thrift store, I think. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out. Thanks so much for hanging out. Bye!